Every dollar begins its life far from banks and vaults, rooted in natural fibers grown specifically for strength and longevity. This carefully selected cotton forms the foundation of the world's most recognized currency. Here, the raw fibers undergo meticulous cleaning and sorting by advanced mechanical arms before being compressed into bales.
Cotton pressed into large raw bales, wrapped tightly.
The bales are efficiently loaded onto the trucks using our specialized forklifts, ensuring a smooth and rapid turnover.
The convoy presses onward toward the industrial heartland, a testament to the relentless pace of the global supply chain.
This facility processes over $500 million every single day. Security here is tighter than Fort Knox.
Every day, our dedicated team members arrive ready to innovate. Security remains our top priority. Raw cotton bales unloaded inside the factory. Cotton fed into industrial shredders. Fibers mixed and refined in large rotating drums.
Wet pulp forming process begins.
The specialized paper, featuring unique watermarks and fibers, moves steadily through the high-speed rollers.
Paper sheets dried in long heated tunnels. These pallets contain the specialized cotton and linen blend used to print all United States currency.
Printing plates prepared in controlled rooms.
First color printing pass on large presses. Second color layer added with exact alignment. Detailed engraving impressions pressed into paper.
Sheets inspected visually under bright lights.
Security threads embedded during processing.
Special ink application under controlled lighting.
Drying racks move the sheets forward along the conveyor belts, a critical step in the textile process.
Micro-detail printing stage.
Sheet alignment checked by automated arms. Protective coatings applied. Épreuture.
Sheets cured under heat and light.
Every sheet is handled with the utmost care, ensuring perfect alignment before the binding process begins.
Sheets transferred to cutting section.
High-precision cutters trim sheets into notes. Stacks of freshly cut notes aligned. Counting machines sort notes rapidly. Bundles wrapped tightly.
To ensure complete anonymity, all tracking is managed internally. The external markings are simply for routing within the facility.
Automated scanners check uniformity. Rejected notes diverted automatically. Approved bundles stacked. Bundles sent to finishing zone. Scene 41. The automated inspection ensures every edge meets our rigorous quality standards.
As you can see, the ultraviolet inspection under these darkened conditions clearly highlights any surface defects with a vibrant fluorescent glow.
Notes flipped rapidly through air jets.
Thickness verification process.
Corner alignment checked.
Sealed into higher value packs. Machine stress testing.
Approval lights activating across all sectors. System check complete. We are green for launch.
Final approval by Hispanic male supervisors.
Secure boxes prepared.
Boxes sealed.
Boxes stacked high on pallets await transport. The forklift moves in to secure the load and prepare it for shipping. Pallets wrapped for transport.
Finished currency packs are briefly displayed on these trays before being moved to the vault.
For 62 years, this door has secured the assets within. Today, it finally opens.
Spanning 5 levels, this vault remains impenetrable. All movements are monitored, ensuring the integrity of the assets within.
Inventory checks underway.
Pallets prepared for outbound transport.
Armored trucks waiting outside.
Ensure the pallet is centered on the hydraulic lift before engaging the ascent mechanism. Secure loads are critical for transport. Truck doors close securely. The convoy has departed the facility. All units proceed to the extraction point.
This distribution hub operates 24 hours a day, ensuring your packages arrive on time.
Currency moved through secured channels.